making some tomoda beshap, beshap. That's what we'll be making today. I have my fish here. You can use any fish of your choice. I got some locust beans here. Everything has been nicely washed. My pepper, habanero pepper, scotch bonnet. I have onion and spring onion here. I got some okra, known as lady's finger. I got my sour, my beshap. That's my fish, salted fish. My gager here. So yeah, we'll start cooking, and then I'll be using one tomato, chopped tomato. Putting everything in my blender. I'll blend everything in here. Now I'm going to be boiling the sour and the okra together, the beshap and the okra together. So I'm going to be boiling everything here, cook everything here. Now I'm going to cover it and leave it to boil. Now I'm going to be adding my chopped tomatoes. That's my blended pepper and tomatoes. I'm going to add water for my fish to be cooked. I'll be adding my salted fish now. I'm going to be adding my fish. For seasoning, I'll be using Maggi aroma. I'm going to be adding my salt. Put salt to your own taste. So now my beshap is ready, my sour is ready after 10 minutes, because we are going to cook it again. So I'm putting everything in my blender and now blend it with the okra. You can even use baby spinach to cook this, but I'm using sour. If you are using baby spinach, make sure that you put some lime juice. As you can see, I boiled them into different cooking pots to make it faster. So I'm going to leave the fish here to cook till all the water goes down. So I'm going to be blending everything in here now. See, everything has been nicely blended. It's just like when you are cooking like fish pepper soup. So you have to, I'm going to boil it till all the water goes down. Now I'm going to take all my fish out. Now I'm going to be adding my blended beshap. I'm going to cook it here for another 10 to 15 minutes. Remember, the beshap has already been cooked as well. I'm going to be using my wooden spoon. It's just the way that you cook your raha. This is how I cook this in the Gambia. I'll cook it here like for 10 minutes. So everything is ready now. We are going to be serving it with white rice. So that's everything has been ready. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share, thumbs up, leave your comment. Stay blessed, everyone.